Hey there, fellow home cooks! Welcome back to another exciting culinary adventure. Today I'm diving into the rich, aromatic world of Moroccan cuisine, a world filled with vibrant colors, bold flavors, and tantalizing aromas. Yup, you guessed it, we're making an authentic Moroccan tagine, a dish that's as much about the journey as it is about the destination. First things first, let's talk ingredients. The heart of any great dish lies in its ingredients, and this tagine is no exception. You'll need some chicken thighs, bone in and skin on for maximum flavor. The bone and skin add depth and richness to the dish. Then grab some onions, garlic, and ginger. These aromatics form the base of our tagine, infusing it with layers of flavor. For spices, you're going to need cumin, coriander, paprika, turmeric, and cinnamon. These spices are the soul of Moroccan cuisine, each bringing its own unique character to the dish. Don't forget some saffron threads if you want that extra touch of authenticity. Saffron adds a subtle yet luxurious flavor and a beautiful golden hue. And of course, we'll need some preserved lemons and green olives. These ingredients add a tangy, briny contrast that elevates the dish to new heights. Alright, let's get cooking. Start by heating up some olive oil in your tagine or a heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat. Olive oil is a staple in Moroccan cooking, adding a fruity richness to the dish. Once it's hot, sear your chicken thighs until they're golden brown. This step is crucial as it locks in all those amazing flavors and gives the chicken a beautiful color. This locks in all those amazing flavors, ensuring that every bite is packed with deliciousness. Remove the chicken and set it aside. We'll be adding it back in later to soak up all the wonderful flavors of the sauce. In the same pot, toss in your chopped onions and cook until they're soft and translucent. This process releases their natural sweetness, adding depth to the dish. Add in the minced garlic and freshly grated ginger. These ingredients add a warm, spicy kick that complements the sweetness of the onions. Stir it around for a minute until your kitchen smells like heaven. The aroma of garlic and ginger cooking together is simply irresistible. Now it's time to add those beautiful spices. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Sprinkle in the cumin, coriander, paprika, turmeric, and cinnamon. Each spice adds its own unique flavor, creating a complex and harmonious blend. Stir it all together, letting the spices toast for a couple of minutes. Toasting the spices releases their essential oils, intensifying their flavors. This step is crucial for that deep, rich flavor we're after. The toasting process brings out the best in each spice. Next, nestle your chicken thighs back into the pot. They'll start to absorb all those wonderful flavors. Add enough chicken broth to cover about 3/4 of the chicken. The broth will help to create a rich, flavorful sauce. Toss in a few saffron threads if you have them. They'll add a subtle, luxurious flavor and a beautiful golden color. Then bring everything to a simmer. This gentle cooking method allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Now cover your tagine or pot and let it cook on low heat for about 45 minutes. This slow cooking process is where the magic happens. This is where the magic happens, folks. The slow simmer allows the chicken to become incredibly tender and soak up all those amazing flavors. The chicken gets incredibly tender and soaks up all those amazing flavors, making each bite a burst of deliciousness. While that's cooking, let's prep the preserved lemons. These lemons add a unique, tangy flavor that's essential to the dish. Slice them into quarters, removing any seeds. The seeds can be bitter, so it's important to take them out. When your tagine is about 10 minutes away from being done, add the preserved lemons and green olives. These ingredients add a final burst of flavor. This gives the dish that signature Moroccan tang, balancing the richness of the chicken and spices. Alright, the moment of truth. Your tagine should be ready, and it smells absolutely divine. Your tagine should be ready, and it smells absolutely divine. The aroma is a tantalizing mix of spices, citrus, and savory chicken. Serve it up with some couscous or flatbread, and garnish with fresh cilantro. The cilantro adds a fresh, herbaceous note that complements the rich flavors of the tagine. And there you have it. An authentic Moroccan tagine, right from your own kitchen. An authentic Moroccan tagine, right from your own kitchen. It's a dish that's sure to impress your family and friends. Trust me, once you've tasted this, you'll want to make it over and over again. The flavors are so addictive, you'll be craving it all the time. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. I hope you enjoy making and eating this delicious Moroccan tagine as much as I do.